Let's jump right into today's lightning-fast explainer. If you're a creator or a developer, you absolutely know the usual AI video drill. It's a lot of tab switching. But today, we are unlocking something incredibly cool: generating professional AI video directly inside your Cloud chat window.
I mean, seriously, what if you could just generate incredible AI video without ever leaving your chat? Think about it for a second. No more clunky separate video editors, no more juggling a dozen different model logins just to find the perfect result. It's honestly a total productivity dream. The whole goal here is to completely bypass those external editors. So in under 2 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to seamlessly hook up Higgsfield to Claude to make this chat-to-video workflow an absolute reality. Let's do it. Okay, so the magic behind the curtain is the Higgsfield MCP server. By adding this model context protocol, you're basically giving Claude direct access to intelligently route your requests to over 30 heavy hitters. We're talking VO, Kling, Sora, Seedance, all through one single link. And the best part, you really don't need to be an expert in which model does what. You just describe the shot you want. Claude does all the heavy lifting. It reasons through your brief, picks the absolute best model for the job, fires off the request, and drops the finished clip literally right into your conversation. We're going to set this up together right now. It takes 4 incredibly easy rapid-fire steps. Get the URL, open connectors, name and paste, and finally, sign in. All right, step 1. Go ahead and navigate your web browser over to higgsfield.ai/MCP. This page is where you'll find the essential server connection details we need to get started. Once you're there, simply highlight and copy the specific server URL they give you. It's going to look like mcp.higgsfield.ai/MCP. This exact address is what Claude absolutely has to have to establish the connection. Moving right along to step 2. Jump back over to your Claude workspace, open up your settings menu, navigate over to the Connectors tab, and go ahead and click that Add Custom Connector button. This simple little menu navigation is honestly the gateway to something huge. You're essentially teaching Claude a brand new tool, pushing its native capabilities way beyond just standard text generation. Okay, step 3. In the custom connector dialog box that pops up, just type the word Higgsfield into the name field, and then paste that exact URL you copied earlier right below it. Once you've got the name and URL filled in, just smash that Add button to officially register the server with your Claude account. Super easy, right? And finally, step 4, hit Connect. This is going to trigger a super quick, secure browser prompt for you to sign into your Higgsfield account. And honestly, the best part here, you literally only have to do this once. Oh, and a quick pro tip for you. During this step, set your connector permissions to Always Allow. Doing this means Claude can seamlessly generate videos in the background without constantly popping up and interrupting your workflow to ask for permission every single time. Total game changer. All right, setup is totally complete. Now for the payoff. You can just type a detailed brief directly into your Claude prompt. Something like, generate a 9:16 product hero video, cinematic lighting, 15 seconds. And then, without touching a single API key or switching tools, a little progress indicator pops up. Claude is actively reasoning through your exact brief, selecting the absolute perfect model from its arsenal, and boom, it returns a polished video clip directly in your chat. Connect once, create forever. It really is that straightforward. Just think about the sheer amount of friction this removes when you no longer have to constantly switch tabs just to see your ideas come to life. When the barrier between a raw idea and a finished video is reduced to just a single chat prompt, well, the only real limit is your imagination. So what boundary are you going to push first? Dive into your chat, try it out today, and go build something amazing.